Hello everybody, welcome back. C-Ray Tech here. Got a beautiful day in my truck. We're gonna go for a ride and check out some sweet 2-inch action. That always sounds so weird, but anyway, I got the Bobi and I got the F100. We're gonna head out to the park, check things out. All right, guys, stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back. C-Ray Tech here. So I found a field that is fairly dry. It has been raining and snowing like crazy. Well, not snowing, I'm sorry. All the snow melted from the rain. And we're going to try to fly here. I'm going to try to stay away from those geese because I don't want to bother them too much. But yeah, let's get unpacked, see what we got, and do some flying. Give me a second to get set up. Should have got that green switch pack. Yep, I'll be flying this with my QX7. I'm going to be also using the Makerfire VR 008 Pros. I did not bring out the new goggles today because I've been having some issues getting a little used to them. So I want to give them a couple more tries, but so far, I mean, it's just a little bit blurry for me. So, first things first, we are going to fly the 2.5-inch, the Bobi. I've got a 450 mAh BetaFPV battery on there. So we're going to go ahead and spin this guy up, see how it goes. I was having some issues with video, which I hope I've worked out now. I think I was just on a bad abandoned channel. Alright. Make sure everything's looking good. Alright, let's go ahead and watch this takeoff. We got some crystal clear video right now. Man, this thing's got so much power. So yeah, I figured I'd do some commentary this time while I'm flying and give some more of my impressions on this. Now, I'm having some video breakup and I'm flying directly towards myself right now, which you'll catch on the video, but it's a lot better than it was. So we'll roll here. The video's kind of not so great, but it's viable. But yeah, this thing is a lot of power. This video issue that I'm going through right now is kind of bugging me. I might switch over to a patch, so let's come in and land real quick. Ooh. Pretty close. Well, let's switch over to this patch antenna here I got. See if that makes a difference. Alright. Alright, let's see this, do another takeoff. Okay, well, there's much breakup that time on takeoff, that's pretty good. Yeah, this is much better with the patch. Maybe it was the combination of the pagoda and the circular polarized. Yeah, this thing is so much fun. Oh my goodness. Still getting a little bit of breakup when I fly near myself. But this thing is just super fast. Now I'm flying with the stock 4-blade props. They're doing pretty good. Let's get way up here. Now that video issue is kind of irritating, but it's okay. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and check this one out. Finish up this battery here. Landing. I'm going to try this F100 out here too, see how that looks. Alright, so Bobi 115 is pretty awesome for sure. Alright, so Bobi 15, super awesome, digging it. Video's a little wonky, but that's okay. I think I could get that figured out. A little bit more work on that. So this, we're going to be taking the 100. We're going to be flying with a 400 milliamp hour 2S. This is a 35C battery. This came with the original Beta75 Pro. So we're going to go ahead and fire this one and see how this one looks. Go ahead and switch over so you guys can see this take off. Man, this one's fast too. I get some video breakup just outside the edge of this baseball diamond. Man, the tune on this thing is nice. It just flies so smooth. I will say though, this video is something to be desired. Man, the 2 inches are a blast. I've really been missing out. Flyby. It is quiet. Big geese over me. I'm gonna stay kind of low. Getting ready to go down. Yeah, this thing is just super fun. It feels so light in the air too. It's just be a limitation of this antenna. If I trip it had a little bit better antenna, I'd probably get a lot better. Bring this one for landing real quick. So that one got about 2.5 minutes or so. 2.5 minutes on a 400 milliamp hour battery. So that's not too bad, especially considering they recommend a 5. So now, let's see what this thing can do with a 600. I think this ought to screen pretty good. So yeah, let's check this one out. Alright, well let's see how this one goes. Alright, ready? Wow. This is nice. Alright, let's do a quick punch out flip. Man, this thing is just so nice. Oh my god. I tell you what. These brushless little micros are just insane. Alright guys, looks like my phone had died. Got it charged. Now let's take the Bobi back out. Since as you remember, got the other one kind of muddy. We'll go ahead and take this out, let you guys see some line of sight. Hopefully I can stay low enough that you guys stay in frame. Yeah, this thing is just so much fun. Yeah, I'm really impressed. The build quality is good, and like I said, I mean, out of the box this thing flies so nice, which has been really impressive. And the punch out, man. I mean, I've been flying these brush builds for so long, and I hate to say it, but I guess now I know what fast is. Crazy there. Yeah, this thing is just, I'm really liking this Bobi. If I could figure out a way to get a little bit better range on the video, I would be set. I would be very happy about that. But that's okay, you know, it's to be expected. It's only 25 milliwatts. Maybe with a stronger camera, might not be so bad. But, yeah. That's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the flight footage. I wasn't trying to do anything fancy, just play around a little bit. But it's been an awesome time. I'm really enjoying these. So if you guys like this video, if you give me a thumbs up, I'd greatly appreciate that. And if you want to like and subscribe, I would also really appreciate that. But I think that's, like I said, I think that's going to be it for me today. So, as always, guys, fly safe, fly often.